Good evening guys, I am back. Today I am proud to bring you the unboxing of my new Xiaomi 67 watt GAN desktop fast charger. I got it from Taobao China for $19. At this price, this is totally a steal for me, especially compare it to some of the bigger brand like the Anker. So let's look around the box. As you can see, the image of the adapter itself, the Xiaomi logo, and here is all the specification. Okay, all written at the back of the box, which is very detailed. As you can see, there is two USB Type C 67 watt mark, and there is the 2 port and the 3 port AC port, and there is GAN. Okay, the weight is around 336 gram. Okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, there's some the menu itself, nothing else. Okay, let's peel this off. Okay. Here is the cord. Okay, so I will provide you the specification of this charger to the right side of this video. You can pause the video if you wish to read it. Okay, so the adapter itself is made of the polycarbonate flame retardant plastic shell. The surface, as you can feel, is frosted and anti-fingerprint. Okay, so the overall design is, as you can see, is very simple. Okay, and at the top, okay, is equipped with a set of 2-pin jack, and the edge is designed with the word max 2500 watt. Okay, and at the same time there is a indicator light here. As you can see, it's a bright white light. Okay, that design is when it's power on, the light is on. Okay, and to the side, a 3+2 national standard jack on the side. Here at the side there is 2 of them. Okay, and the left side you can see the word 67 watt GAN. Okay, and the product parameter is also written on the bottom side of the adapter itself, which is very detailed. As you can see, I try to zoom it up. Okay, it's similar to the one that written on the box itself. Okay, and here is the output terminal. The output terminal, as you can see, there is 2C, 2A, the 2 USB Type C and 2 USB A, and all the output is very well written on each of the port. Okay, it gets 67 watt max for both of the Type C and 22.5 watt for both of the Type A. Okay, and the length of the power cord is uh, around 140 centimeter, so it's around 1.5 meter. Okay, the power cord plug, I think is also written. I try to zoom it up. Here it's written 10 ampere with 250 volt, so the total wattage is 2500. Okay, personally, the great thing about this desktop charger for me is the combination of the 3 AC port, 1, 2, 3, and 2C and 2A. Okay, For example, if you need to charge a 267-watt device, you can get those with the two USB Type-C at the same time, but you can replace one of them and charge it to the AC, and the problem is solved. So let me do some basic testing. I'm gonna test it with my Surface Pro 9, which is operated by a 67-watt charger. Okay. Okay, let's test it up. Okay. Okay, it is on. I plug it with my USB-C cable, and then I plug it with the monitoring device. Okay, and let's go to up. Here is my Surface Pro 9. Okay, you see you got almost 50 watt, but the thing is that there is no error, no insufficient input to my Surface Pro 9, so I think it's still charged at a great wattage. Okay, there is no problem. Sometimes if you buy the a very cheap, a very insufficient adapter, when you charge the high, especially my Surface Pro 9, it will give that the tablet uh, will operate less than normally indicated. So for this Xiaomi charger, it give me a full speed for operating my Surface Pro 9. Okay, so that's all for this video. Okay, so please like and subscribe if you like this video. Please give a comment if you have got any question. So have a nice weekend, everyone. Bye bye.